Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture of a can and a green bean. I know nothing about printing, but that looks pretty good. I'm pretty proud. I mean, it was so easy. So they already did all the work. This is a nice vector clip art. And I've already checked out the background. There's nothing there. So how I would do this, like I did this one, I'm going to take my rectangle tool and I'm going to go from about there to there. Don't take too much time worrying about it. Grab it, go up to object and convert it to a curve. Get your shape tool. Try to get these nodes where they're kind of on the can. I must have both of them selected. Well, you know what I need to do? I need to take my shape tool and still convert it to a curve with my shape tool. Then I can move these individually. I want it right below that lip. And then I want this to curve with the lip. And if you get your handle, you could, because I really played around with this quite a bit. Make sure I could do it. I really want it to look good for them. Same thing here. Take your shape tool and make sure you're on the can. So either the can itself is not square or something, but I don't want that ring. So then I'm going to take this and move it down to here. Now, once you got that part, I would take my shape tool and you can move your handle. If you move your handle, if you grab your handle and you move it this way, you can kind of come down there and you can always come down in the middle. But if you move it toward the left and the right, it'll bring that bow in, and then just take this and just bring it down. I'm going to call that pretty good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see what my nudge factor is, set on 4 inches. You know what? Let's make our nudge factor 6. And let's take our can and let's make it white. And let's take away the outline. Now let's move it back and go up to the transparency tool and make it transparent, where it still looks like maybe there's a paper label on it, but it's showing through the can. You see how once you've got this, you could probably do a little bit better, but I did pretty good. Now, take it again and make a duplicate and move it over. And left click, right click, get your green bean can. I was going to look like a frog for a second. Go up to effect and envelope, and I hit extrude, effects and envelope. Got it selected, hit your make envelope from form, and look at that. Now, hold down the shift key and select your label, go EC, grab your label and move it up, and move your can over. Now, because it's the last thing, it's underneath the white, so we need to go to object order, front of page. It would even look better if you had some wordage like net weight and have it in the envelope, and maybe even have the word green bean going around the can. I'm not a graphic artist, but that's pretty cool. And I'm almost dead on that lip. So it does look like a can with a label on it. And you could still, select that label, go back to the transparency tool and change it to whatever you want. I don't think they want just a can, but I wouldn't want just a white surface either. Anyway, that was a little bit of fun. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.